Today, you will learn why drinking tea every day improves your health and increases longevity, and will also know the best teas to stay away from diseases. Do you have the habit of drinking tea daily? According to a study published at the European Heart Journal, people who drink tea at least 3 times a week gain some extra years of life and a healthier heart. This is incredible, isn't it? Natural teas, each one with their own characteristics and properties, offer many benefits to our health. This is why they are recommended to start the day nicely, to drink in the afternoon, or even before sleeping. See now 5 medicinal teas that you can drink to stay away from diseases. Green tea, ideal for slow metabolism. Green tea is rich in caffeine and flavonoids, which boost metabolism and favor fat burn. It also has a diuretic effect that aids in eliminating liquid retention. To make it, you need 1 dessert spoon of green tea leaves and 1 cup of water. Heat the water without letting it boil and pour it over the leaves. Close the lid. Let it infuse for 3 minutes. Strain and drink without sweetening. To get its effects, drink 3 to 5 cups a day. White tea. Anti-aging properties. White tea is a great ally of skin health. It is high in polyphenols, which convert into antioxidants with rejuvenating abilities. It slows the appearance of wrinkles on the face, a common thing as we get older. To make it, you will need 2 teaspoons leveled of white tea and 1 cup of water. Heat the water until it just starts boiling. Add the 2 teaspoons of white tea, close, and let it infuse for 5 minutes. Strain and drink. Lemon balm tea, ideal for relieving stress. Lemon balm is notable for its soothing and sedative actions. It helps in case of stress, anxiety, and insomnia. Make this tea with 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of lemon balm leaves. Boil the water, add the leaves, and let it sit for a few minutes. Strain and drink. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Mint tea helps digestion and prevents bloating. Mint tea has digestive action and is beneficial for those who have stomach aches. It also reduces inflammation and releases the gas that causes bloating and pain, improving intestinal and period cramps. To make this tea, you will need 1 cup of fresh mint leaves and 17 ounces of water. Heat the water until it just starts boiling. Then add the mint leaves. Turn off the heat, close the lid, and let it infuse for 10 minutes. Strain and drink. Chamomile tea, great for insomnia. Chamomile tea is excellent to fight insomnia thanks to its soothing properties that help relax the muscles and mind. It is the perfect night tea. Boil 17 ounces of water and turn off the heat. Add 1 cup of dry chamomile flowers, close the lid, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Drink the tea an hour before going to bed to help your body relax and enter deep sleep. It is important to remember that, even though they are natural, these teas still may present side effects. If you notice any adverse reactions, immediately discontinue its use. If the symptoms persist, seek medical advice. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.